அசையாம அப்படியே உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கானே.
To be or not to be? வாழ்வதா சாவதா? To be or not to be? That's the question. Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles and by opposing end them, to die, to sleep no more, and by your sleep to say the end that heartache and the thousand natural shots that flesh is heir to.